Peace be with you, my dear students. This is week 3 and lecture number 6. And this is your computer class. Today we will do the practical work. Today we will do the practical work. We are not going to do any work from your book, from any page number. We will do the practical work today. First of all, we will do practical on Microsoft Paint, MS Paint. First of all, what is Microsoft Paint? As you all know कि why we use Paint, हम Paint को क्यों use करते हैं? Microsoft Paint is a fun program that is used to draw and color different shapes and drawings. So, हम क्यों Microsoft Paint को use करते हैं? MS Paint को क्यों use करते हैं? Drawing करने के लिए and coloring करने के लिए. What we will draw and color? Different shapes, different drawings, different images, different sceneries, different scenarios. Anything you want to draw or anything you want to color with the help of MS Paint, you can. Got it? By mistake, I wrote on the previous slide class 2, it is class 3. I will change it to class 3. Okay, the next is how we start the paint. What are the steps to start the paint? Let us begin by learning to start paint program. Click the start button. What you have to do, first of all, click the start button. After clicking the start button, select all programs. When you select all programs, click on accessories. In the accessories, there is the option paint. Click on the paint option. The paint window will appear like this. All of you, my screen is visible to all of you. My screen is visible. Okay, students, all of you know about this. Like this is pencil tool. Why do we use pencil? To write something on a screen. And this is eraser tool. Why do we use eraser tool? To erase something. And this is the color picker tool for doing any color in the drawing. We use color picker tool. And this A is text tool. Why do we use text tool? To write text. And this is magnified tool. Why do we use magnified tool? To zoom the drawing. And this is the brush tool. By selecting this brush tool, like this, you can draw different things, different sizes of brushes there. Like this is the pencil type. This is the, got it? Okay, and from here we can select the line size. Like if you want to select any shape from this box, like triangle, rectangle, square, any diamond shape. So the shape of the line is selected by the size of the line is selected from here. The thin line, the broader one, then the more broader one, and the more broader one line. Got it? And this is the color palette. From here we can choose and select the color. Okay, so let's start drawing. Okay, students, let's make the birthday card. First of all, we will select this text tool like this. Happy birthday, my dear friend. From here, you can choose any writing style, okay? And okay, from here you can choose the size, font size, and from here you can choose the bold, italic, or underline style. Got it? Now go back. I will choose color picker tool and select any color from here, and we will change the color of alphabets. A, blue color, then B, brown color, then this one, this color. We will do different colors in different alphabets. Like this. You can fill colors of your own choice. I'm filling colors with my choice. Okay, got it? We are done with the colors. Okay, now we will select one background color. Okay, now by clicking on this screen, we can change the background color. Okay, now by selecting the brush size, I'm going to select this size, this spray tool. With the help of the spray tool, we can sprinkle dots, whatever design you want to draw, you can. This is just for showing you. This is your home task. You will design birthday card of your own choice on the MS Paint. For the sake of your practice, just for the sake of your understanding, if you have any confusion, you know about all the tools, drawing tools, any design you want to make, you can. Like this is easy, and also we have short time, so this will be made quickly. Any design you want to make, any thumbs up design you can make, any simile if you want to make, you can. Okay. Anything you want to make, you can. Like if you want to make a star over here, you can make. If you want to write any wish with the help of this tool, you can write like best of luck. Got it? So your home task is you have to design a birthday card for your friend or for your sibling or anyone. Design, choose your own design. Okay, students, that's all for today. I hope you will do your homework at home. Your home task is to design a birthday card in MS Paint. Thank you so much for joining this class.